everybody. My name is Gabby, and welcome to Kayleigh O'Connell's Puppet Show. Today we'll be meeting some puppets that she created and sing some music and enjoy the show for a lot. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Hey everybody, it's me, Showgirl Cat, and I have come for a song for you. Won't you come home with me, baby? Won't you come home? I really miss you a lot. I even enjoy the times we have, and we die. La 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 la. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey. What kind of muscle goes boo? A leg calf. What is a sheepdog's favorite vegetable? Cauliflower. And what type of stuff does a deer make? Cookie dough. And finally, what did the cow say when someone's in his or her way? Moo! They're kind. That's it for today, folks. See you next time.